All right, I started straight away now, yeah. Peace be upon you. Good evening to everyone in South America. Good morning to Malaysia and good afternoon or wherever you are in this world, yeah. And thank you very much to everyone whom I respect, who are kind, whom I love. My name is Noraini Binti Ali. I come from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And this morning, in this evening, I'm going to share with all of you about setting strategy in Royal Queue. So before we started, I'll give you some short info about digital currency, yeah, just a basic one. So that, just a moment, I cannot see. All right, here. All right, here is a coin market cap. Yeah, coin market cap is the stock exchange for the digital currency. Yeah, now we have about 14,869 cryptocurrency in the world, yeah, in the market. Yeah, so one is of course the Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and so on. Yeah, so remember in digital currency, we have three coin. Yeah, one is an altcoin, second is a stable coin, and number three is a token. So the token I have to just sharing with all of you, be careful. Yeah, there is so many token now upside there. Yeah, they offer many things. Yeah, they say this token going to go to exchange and all that. Don't believe or don't buy. It is better for you to buy the token that already registered or already inside the coin market cap or the world coin index. Yeah, so you can check both. All right, so be careful because token, many sometimes they say crowdfunding and all this kind of thing, but then in certain period they are not materialized and then you will lose your money. All right, so altcoin is the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sol, Cardano, XRP, Polkadot, yeah, Dogecoin, and etc. All right, so stable coin is USDT, yeah, USDT, USDC, yeah, this is all stable coin. Pesos, yeah, another one is BUSD for the Binance stable coin, yeah. Token is, one of it is BNB, another token is Nexo, and there is so many token, yeah. So you can check in the stock exchange digital currency. All right, so now after we have the cryptocurrency, where we want to keep it, yeah, so we can keep it in the world global exchange wallet, yeah. Now in the market we already have 436, excuse me, 436 exchange wallet, yeah. Number one is Binance, Coinbase, FTX, Kraken, KuCoin, Huobi. There is many more, yeah. Poloniex, Luno, yeah. So this is only the top 10, yeah. All right. So Get.io also is very good. All right. We have another one also, Binance.us, yeah. Bitstamp and all this. All right. So now, what is exchange wallet? Exchange wallet, a simple word, yeah, it's just like your bank account where you keep your fiat currency, but exchange wallet, you keep your digital currency or cryptocurrency, yeah. So that's the for you to understand more easier. All right, so now I'm going to share in here in WorldCoin Index. Go to exchange, click spot. All right, here where is the the crypto has been trading, yeah. So now if you can see here, crypto exchange wallet, exchange volume ranking, yeah. So if you see in here in 24 hours, this is total, yeah, overall for all the exchange who trading the digital currency, yeah. So in 24 hours, 171.03 billion, in 7 days, 1.51 trillion, and 30 days, 6.23 trillion. Why do I share all this for you? Example, if you found somebody are very skeptical, very negative, so you just share with them, yeah, share with them the coin market cap and the world coin index and show them how much is daily, 7 day, 30 days that has been trading in the market, all the a digital currency or the cryptocurrency. All right, so here is all the exchange. Yeah, this one is overall for all the exchange who already trading the digital currency. So in here is for Binance. Yeah, here is where the exchange that trading all the digital currency: Binance, OKX, Upbit, HIT, BTC, Coinbase, and Huobi. We will talk about Binance and Huobi because it's related to our Royal Q. Yeah, so now I'm going to share today something new to all of you, for all of you to know. Yeah, just a moment. This one is this example is related, yeah, to our strategy, setting. Yeah, so now example, I'm going to take a Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm going to take a Bitcoin in here. So can you see here Bitcoin market? Okay, so this is all the exchange. Yeah, all the exchange: Coinbase, Bitfinex, Kraken, BTSC, BTSE, Bitstamp, Binance.us, Gemini, Exmo. Yeah, this is all the, all the exchange who trading at this moment now. At this moment, yeah. So if you see in here, we cannot see Binance and Huobi. Let me check here. So all in here. So all right. So that means if you trading Binance and Huobi, the Bitcoin, it could be very slow margin to making profit, because in here you cannot see the exchange that starting trading, but it is very big trading in FTX, yeah, FTX, Coinbase, and Bitfinex, yeah. So you can see it's about 420.73 million. All right, so now I'm going to give you another example. All right, example here for the Shiba Inu. Just a moment. Where is Shiba Inu? Just a moment. Okay, here. All right. If you see now in Shiba Inu on the exchange, yeah. All right. So now you can see. If you trading now, example, you going to trading in the Royal Q, yeah. You can see here Huobi. You can see here Binance. So that means if you started to trading in here, it is very good. Can you see the green, and when it come up green and red? So this is all is sell, yeah. So that means it's very good for you to started to trading to Binance and Huobi on the Shiba Inu. This is only a simple example for you to relate it when you want to do the trading. Don't need to pain your head to reading graph and all that. Yeah, so that's all for a little bit info about the digital currency or cryptocurrency. And now we're going to go straight to our setting strategy. Yeah. All right. So here is just a moment. Right. Okay. So now, just a moment. Yeah. Okay. So now we go here. All right. So can you see, everyone? Can you see the the Royal Q apps? All right. So now, in here is last week, yeah, we put ETH last week, yeah. Last week, this is the apps of Royal Q. All right, so okay, so last week we put Ethereum, okay, Ethereum with 35, yeah, here, sorry. All right, with 35 margin call, yeah. So now we will see from the last week, yeah. Can you see this? Okay, this is all that I make. Okay, buy and sell, yeah. So you can say sub sell. So when you see sub sell, all this, yeah, all this is making profit, yeah. So about 0.74%, 0.9%, 0.87%, yeah. So all this, once you see all this sub sell, where that I making profit in Ethereum since last week, yeah. So you can see here. All right, so this is how. So now if we back here, And we see here, all right, it's already 19. Actually, this morning is already 30, yeah? But then it goes to 19 because it's already do the selling. If you can see here, it's already selling 1, 2, yeah, sub-sale 3, yeah, 4, 5, 6, yeah. They already done the selling. That means I'm making profit. All right, so this is what I want all of you to know. And now I'm going to guide with all of you, especially for the people who are new. Okay, people who are new, just a moment. All right, so now I can tell you, all right, so many people always ask me, do you sell signal? Do you sell robot? Yeah, so I told them no, because I'm focusing in Royal Q. Why that I focusing in Royal Q? Because in Royal Q, you don't need to buy the robot. Yeah, you only rent the robot or hire the robot. This is important for everybody to know. All right, so others than that, all right, just a moment, yeah. So others than that, is it in Royal Q, they already have the signal. They already have everything, Martingale, signal, robot. You need only to rent the robot. So now I'm going to start in here, especially for people who are new. Please take full attention, and if you have book, you can write, yeah. After you write, then you can memorize it again, yeah. Remember this, all right? So now, my first buy is 15, my margin call is 35. Yeah, so many people, they don't want to use a margin call because higher margin call, because they need to have higher, they need higher, just a moment, yeah. They need the higher capital, but actually, it's not really you need a higher capital, yeah. So as example, now like this one, yeah, 35, you need only 525 USDT, yeah, here. Okay, so the capital for this, all right, is 525 USDT. Okay, so in other words here, it depends on you what setting that you want to put in here. Take profit drop, take profit ratio, earning callback 0.1%, margin call drop 0.5%, and buy in callback 0.1%. All right, so this is what I do. So remember, 1, 2, 3, and 4, this is the signal, the trigger. All right, signal or the trigger where that you can minimize your capital if you have a small capital or you have a big capital. So why I put very low? Okay, because I have 35 margin call. If I put 3.5%, I don't know how many days it will take. All right, so that is why I put 0.1% and 0.5%. After I share with you the BTC, yeah, BTC that I put 55. All right, so many people don't want to use this setting, the higher setting, because they think, all right, they think there will be floating loss. Okay, very long. Okay, floating loss, very long. Okay, actually no. All right, actually no, it depends on your setting. So today I'm going to give you the setting, that very small setting in here, and you calculate correct, and you can be enough to cover on this 35. All right, so now if we see in here, okay, if we see in here, just a moment. Okay, if we see in here, All right, so if you see in here, in this, 19, but we put 35. What is it? 35, Sometimes it don't goes until 35. It don't goes until 35, like this morning is 30. And then when it drop here, so when it is buy in callback drop, okay, or in the margin call drop, robot will sell. So that is why now you can see only 19. Another why it sell, because we use the sub-bin mode, real-time settlement. So another important thing that you need to know and understand is pair. Okay. Why I use 35 as 35 and as 55? Yeah. Why I choose my pair ETH, BTC, maybe XRP, but because now I just use one, If I have a big capital, I will put at least 5. Okay, at least 5. All right, I will put at least 5 pair. All right, so now I just play one pair. Okay, or 2 pairs. All right, so in this account, I use only 1 pair. All right, so I hope it is clear enough and you understand. And after this, we will go, I will explain to you on the how to do the setting. So just a moment, I'm going to change this and I will share with you another of my account that I put in 2. I put 2, just a moment. If in the meantime now, if you have any question, please ask me. If you have any question, you can just write, So I hope you understand already, what is the signal, trigger, and all this, So now we will going to start to do the setting, Just a moment. Wait, I go to Hubi. All right, so now I'm going to share with you. All right, so here. I hope all of you can see, So now can you see? All right, so this is BTC. So I will click BTC. All right, so can you see here? It's already 3. All right, so BTC in here is 35, the margin call. All right, so now we go to the ETH. In ETH, in here is already 40. In here is, I'm doing it 55. All right, so now, in this setting, example, so now we see ETH, 55, So example, when you see this, it will stop. Sometimes it will stop, it come like this. Okay, correct? Like this, So they mean this one is there in trading. All right, so now, just a moment, what's wrong? Okay, all right, so now, when it is stop, okay, when it is stop, but because you making 55, when the robot stop, especially when you don't have enough capital, the robot will stop this, okay? When the robot stop, you don't panic, you don't scared. Okay, because you are putting 55, when you put 55, even though this is 40, so when the time margin call drop arrive or buy in call back arrive, so the robot will on this again. Because there is some people, they are panic. They say, why stop? No, don't panic. This one, the robot will stop first when it is, you don't have enough capital. But because your setting is very high, okay, when it come back again to the margin call drop and or buy in call back, okay, robot will open this again. And then robot will start to clearance this. Example, like just now, the ETH, you can see from 30, it goes to 19. That means robot already clearance the balance from the 30. I hope it is clear and understand. All right, so now I'm going to start with the setting to all of you who are new. Okay, we start with Noel. You want me to teach them on the small setting or big setting?
Aina, good night. Or you could do teach them the S5 strategy. We
Okay.
in my team we mostly use the S5 strategy because this start off with small capital. So we can build from that as they're starting off now. We're gonna use the S5, and as they advance, we're gonna start do the big capital trading settings.
All right. All right, understood. Okay, now we will go, you go here, quantitative, okay? You click quantitative. So once you click the quantitative, you can see here general and professional, okay? So, wait just a moment. I move this one first. Okay. All right, and can you see in here, up here, Binance and Huobi? So if you in Huobi, you must click Huobi. All right, so click Huobi. All right, so my one, because this is my second account, I trading in Huobi. All right, so now, so you can see in here, just now I already show all of you 35, here is 35, here is 55. All right, but I already put one short in here because I want to close down all. All right, so now I'm going to guide all of you. You can see here general and professional. So we see in professional, all right. In professional, we see Algo is moving, AVAC is moving. All right, so now, and XLM is moving. Yeah, so now I'm going to take any one of it. Yeah, any one of it to guide all of you. So I will choose AVAX. Yeah, I will choose AVAX, and then I'm going to change this to circle. Yeah, because up here is one shot. So I click cycle. Okay, cycle, and then we go in here. All right, set trade setting. All right, so it's already in here. You have to change 15. All right, and then in here is 5. In here 1%. In here 0.3%. All right, so just a moment. Margin configuration. You can follow this. Yeah, you can follow what I write. Okay. Or you can use the default setting because this is only for 5, yeah. So if you put 0.5, it will be more faster of the margin call, yeah. So what meaning margin call drop? So when it is, example, you are in here. So when it is dropped to 0.5%, yeah, robot will buy one time. So that means robot will buy 5. So example, yeah. So let's say 0.5, let's say in here 2. Okay, so robot will, when it goes down to 0.5 in here, robot will take 30. Okay, why? Because this is multiple. Multiple, multiply, or multigal, this is the one. So even though if you do the setting S5, yeah, you need to change this. Okay, and if you don't want, let's say you don't want your money faster to be taken by the robot, it means when the robot replenish, or when the robot top up, you can put in here minimum of 3.5%, 4%, or 4.5, or 5%. It depends on you. It's up to you, yeah? But you still making profit when it goes up or when it goes down with your 15, because your setting just now is 15, all right? So now, you see here, your setting is 15, correct? So even though if you put 3.5, whatever is, you still making profit with 15 USDT. All right, so now we go buy in callback, we put 0.3% distributed, yeah, so some people asking me, why only 5? To start for the multigal or multiply is only 5 and above. All right. 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, so now you understand. So you sub, you just change it to 1%. After this, I will show all of you the actual default setting. Yeah. All right. So now you can see in here. Yeah, in here, 15, 5, yeah, take profit ratio is 1%, earning callback is 0.3%, call in buyback is 0.3%, and margin call drop is 0.5%. All right, so now you know, and then in here, important, you have to choose Wolf Warehouse mode. All right, you choose Wolf Warehouse mode and then confirm. All right, so means you are ready. Oh, just a moment. You always be like that. Just a moment. I have to check again. Just a moment. Yeah. All right. So now, oh, just a moment. Just a moment. Okay. Can you see again? How do I carry this back again here? Oh, okay. All right. So now, I hope everybody can see again. All right. So now, this is the setting that I already show you. All right. So now I'm going to show you after you confirm all this, don't forget to click start. Okay. Because I don't want, just a moment. Okay. All right. So because I don't want, just a moment, I don't know why this thing always, okay. Okay. All right. So don't forget to, once you're ready, everything is confirmed, then you click start. So I'm not going to click start because I don't want to do display because I want to focus on my Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah. So remember that. All right. So now I'm going to teach you on the setting. You can see here, you go to trade setting. You click trade setting. Can you see this? Can you see this? Get a suggestion strategy. You click in there. So this is the real actual default setting from Royal Q. You have to change in here 15 because they still don't change to 15. Yeah. Actually, there is, if you see in here, instruction, they ask us to start it with 15 USDT. Yeah. So this is default setting. All right. So 7 times 1.3%, 0.3%, and then margin configuration. All right. So in here, I have to guide all of you. Why I change here all 1? Why? Okay. So I guide you now. All right. Example, once the margin call drop touch to 0.35%, so robot will take in here 30. Okay, so when The margin call drop arrive in 4%. In here, they will take 60. All right, now we go to the highest one. When the margin call drop touch at 12%, in here, they will took from you 1,920. So that is why the robot stop your trading because you don't have enough capital. So that is why I change it everything in here. Yeah, here 1 until 2 down. All right, so now this is for the multiple. Remember, multiple mean multiply and multiple. Okay, so now in here, can you change it or you leave it? Both can be done. All right, had no problem. If you want it to be 3.5%, there is no problem. Only you change it in here. 1%, here 1%, yeah. So until to the end. All right, in here, if you want to follow the setting, there is no problem. There is no issue at all. Okay, only in here you have to be careful until down. Because this, it will take multiply. That's why they call it multiple. Okay, so multiple, yeah. So this is the thing. So I hope it is very clear and understand. I open now to question. If you have any question, please ask me now. Because I know in setting, we need a lot of questions. Yeah. So please ask me any question that all of you want to know, and I will guide all of you. Any question? Noel? The new member today, I don't have any question. I just need to review your video repeatedly. All right. Thank you, Suzette. Any others? Any question? Because sometime in here is the best to ask me. Because I'm in here, so I can help. And I can guide all of you immediately. Yesterday got Lina, are you? Yes. Yes, we have. I'll put in YouTube. You can go and see in the YouTube, even though now also I'm recording it, yeah. So that if you don't have any question, Ani, thank you. Sarojoni, is it Sarojoni? Natasha, Ellen, Suzette, Herbert, Noel, thank you very much for this morning, our Zoom, yeah. Actually, in the setting strategy, you need to ask me a lot of questions. Yeah, a lot of questions. And then, are you sure? Now you know. All right, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the profit I make here. Profit I make, I go in here, cancel, just a moment. All right, so I go to home, yeah? You have to go to home in here, all right? So, oh, sorry. In here, you go to home. Oh. All right, go home in here. So you click home. So once you click in home, scroll down a little bit, yeah, and then you put here, you go in here, revenue, so you can see the revenue. This is 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. So this you can see all right? So every day I'm making profit in here. If I put more bigger my first call, yeah, I will get more, all right? So all this. Every day, non-stop, yeah? We can get all the money. It depends on the bullish time. Sometimes when it is bullish, you can get more higher. All right, so this is on my second account, but Alhamdulillah, he's already making 2,780 ringgit Malaysia. It is a lot for my country. All right, And then just a moment, let me check what question. All right, thank you. All right, so this is the thing, yeah. And then I don't know whether your group have a problem on whitelist. Just a moment, just a moment, just a moment. All right, whitelist, yeah. Can you go and see, if you see this security, just a moment. I'm going to teach you something because there's someone asked me a few days ago, okay, withdrawal management address. Can you see in here? Withdrawal management address, yeah? You click in here, okay? Once you click in there, once you click in there, can you see the plus in here? Okay, you click the plus in here. So it come out, all right? It come out in here. You have to paste it in here, your address code that anytime you want to transfer your money, and then you can write in here Binance or whatever it is, all right? So after that, okay, after that you confirm and then you back and then can you see in here, all right? You click in here. So this is whitelist. There is someone asking me what is whitelist. Okay, whitelist, if you want to withdraw above than USDT 1K, you must make this whitelist. You must activate. Okay, that means you click in here. All right. So if you don't do this, in RoyalQ will not allow you to withdraw. Okay, so this is what meaning whitelist. All right, so that means nobody can enter in your I mean, if they enter, let's say they get your apps, they enter and they want to withdrawal, they cannot withdrawal because you already on your whitelist, and this whitelist they only will transfer to this address code code that you put, either your Binance or your Huobi. Okay, so all this I do explain in apps function. Okay, app function. You can check in Midas Funnel YouTube channel. Yeah, you can check in there, and then you can learn from there. Find the video. Never mind, I show you now. Just a moment. I show you now where to get the video. Yeah, just a moment. Okay, just a moment. All right, so here I open my Midas funnel. All right. So this is the Midas funnel YouTube channel. Okay. So if you go to the playlist in here, you click in here. So you go to here.
You're not sharing the right screen. I think you're on WhatsApp.
What?
You on WhatsApp. You're not sharing the right screen here.
Wait. I share one more time. Okay, now you can see, correct? Yeah. All right.
Yes.
All right. So now this is the channel, Midas Funnel channel. So you can go at my Midas Funnel channel. All right. So you go here, playlist. You can see playlist in here. And then you find English. You click English. All right. So in here, we have 12 video tutorial. Yeah. So you can go the last one here. Okay. The apps. All right. The apps you can hear. You can see all in here that I guide all of you how to use, how to do it and everything. Because to know the apps function, it is very, very important for all of you. All right, so don't forget to go to Midas Funnel. You learn and learn in there. So remember this. In trading, there is so unique. People who always trading, they can know all the technique, how to setting, what is the percentage and all that. That's why I always ask all of you to change it, not only to use S5. Even though if let's say you have 300, try to do S18, try to do S35, because you know why? Even though when it goes up, just a moment, I share with all of you. Example, yeah, let's say now, let's say you use, as example, let's say you use S35, yeah. So we know S35 capital unit is 525, all right? So that's all right. Even though if you don't have this capital, let's say you have only 300, put the setting S35. Okay, because let's say they arrive, until 20. Okay, on the 20, 15 times by 20, that means is 20, that means is 300. Okay, then robot will stop. Okay, but you don't worry, when the robot stop, and then remember that we have the margin call, correct? Okay, we have the example, just a moment, I'll show you, yeah? So we have the margin call drop, okay? Okay, drop, all right? Margin call drop. And also we have buy in callback. Okay, so it depends on your setting. How many percentage, okay? I already guide all of you, all right? So it doesn't matter, even though if let's say you don't have enough money, then when it goes to the margin call drop or it goes to the buy in call, then the robot will clearance. So when the robot clearance, they will start back again. Okay, they will open margin call again. So when they open the margin call again, yeah, they can rolling back again with this 300. So don't try only S5, please. Try to do it S18, S35, okay, but of course not S55. All right, this one, you need at least on this S35, you need at least 3,000, yeah? This one, you need at least 3080, all right? So, try, please, don't scared. Okay, if you don't want, try S11 or S18 or S15, okay? Or you try S35, but my suggestion to all of you, okay, S35, you can try it. Because remember, even though it don't touch on the 35, it touch on 20, it will drop down again and will sell for you. Okay? Or when it is go up, so when it does go up, it still sell for you. And if it is go down also, it still sell for you. Only the robot will stop you. Okay? When you don't have enough capital. All right, then the robot will open again for you. That is what my experience in the, just a moment. How I want to do this. Oh my God. Okay, that is my experience in Royal Q. So please don't only use S5. Please. Except if you only have 100. Okay, fair enough. But if you have 300 or if you have 500, but my suggestion, okay, my suggestion, if you have 300 or 500, yeah, 300 or 500, yeah, please choose the right pair. Okay, important, my suggestion is BTC, ETH, okay, XRP. All right, so you can choose, just a moment, let me check. Let me check for a while, yeah. You can, Mana also is very good, yeah. Mana. All right, so Shiba also you can put, yeah. All right, so, but important these three, because these three is, well, for sure it go up and for sure it goes down. All right, so it don't take long time in here. All right, so the best for BTC, ETH, XRP is your S35 or S55. All right, so I hope it is clear enough for you. All right, so try it. All right, don't scared. Without you try, you will never experience it. Okay, you will never experience it, and then not only that, you always fear to yourself, scared to yourself for nothing. Try it. Okay, 11, 15, 13, yeah. Sorry, 11, 15, 18, 35. Some people put 20, some people put 25. But for me, I love to use 5, 11, okay, 20, 35, and 55. That is always I use in my setting. Any other more question? If you don't have any other more question, I'm going to close this Zoom for today. Noel, moving. Where is Steve? Yes,
What's
Ellen.
votes? I was normally using the chart vote. I don't know vote. I'll charge us to 110 to 20. Hopefully.
What, Ellen? Noel, can you
No,
hear what
Wi-Fi.
Ellen said?
No, no.
I got shocked out. It doesn't work out.
All right, so if you don't have any other further,
Yes, 110, 100 to 240.
all right, so if like that, if you don't have any other further question, I'm going to close this Zoom for today, for this evening, for South America. And I would like to say thank you very much to everyone whom I respect, who are kind, whom I love. And once again, my name is Noraini binti Ali. I come from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And don't forget, when you go to Midas Funnel YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So we will see you tomorrow on the journey to V6 and unlimited profit in Royal Q. All right, so see you tomorrow at the same time in the evening at 8:30 p.m. All right, so thank you very much once again to everyone.